Does your body temperature change during the day? Listed below are the body temperatures in Fahrenheit of subjects measured at 8 a.m. and at 12 a.m. Construct a 95% confidence interval estimate of the difference in the 8 a.m. and the 12 a.m. temperatures. Are the body temperatures the same both times? So we're going to do a 95% confidence interval based on the body temperatures at 8 a.m., these 6 here, and at 12 a.m., these 6 here. So we're going to find the difference. So to do that, we are going to bring up our nice calculator, and we are going to type in our information. So under Stat, 1 Edit, we are going to type in the information here. So 97, 96.2, 97.6, 96.4, and so on. Same thing with L2 for the 12 a.m., 98, 98.6, 98.8, and so on. Make sure that as the information is given to you, you type it in as such. Don't mix up the numbers. It has to be in the order that it's given to you. Now we still need the difference between each one, and we're going to do that by storing it in L3. So to do that quickly and efficiently, we're just going to do second 1 minus second 2, and we're going to store it in L3. And so there's a difference, and again we can double check to make sure it's there by going back to 1 Edit and seeing that all the numbers are stored in L3. So once we have that, we can find our confidence interval, and we want to make sure we are 95% confident as it's stated in the question. So we're going to go to Stat, Tests, and we're going to go down to T interval. And we're going to use data since we have no statistics, just raw numbers. List for L3 because we want the difference, frequency 1, and confidence level, our C level, 95% as stated in the question. So we're going to go down to calculate, enter, going to think about it for a second, and then it's going to return the answers in the form of an interval up top, negative 2.316 to 0.516. So our interval here, negative 2.316 to 0.516. And so there is our confidence interval. But we need to go back to the question. And it states, are the body temperatures the same both times? As we can see from our question, we have a negative number and we also have a positive number. That means that this interval contains 0. And the only way to contain 0 is if they at some point are the same. So since our interval contains 0, we can state in our conclusion to answer the question that since the interval contains 0, the body temperatures seem to be about the same at both times. Again, because our interval contains a negative to a positive number, right here, negative to positive, 0 is somewhere in between. And again, the only way to have 0 in the interval is if at some point they are the exact same numbers. So that's why we can say that since the interval contains 0, the body temperatures seem to be about the same at both times, 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. And that's all for this.